mga kamatlets, welcome to our first video. This is Teacher Robert. Our topic is in this video is all about quadratic equation. So, quadratic equation. In this video, you will learn how to define and illustrate quadratic equations using its standard form. Degree, differentiating quadratic equation from the linear equation, writing a quadratic equation in standard form, and identifying the values of A, B, and C. Okay, what is this quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an equation of the form EX squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where x represents an unknown variable and a, b, and c are constant and a is greater than 0. Since the term ax squared is raised to the second degree, it is called the quadratic term. The bx term is referred to as a linear term, since it has a degree of 1. The c term is called the constant term. So, our quadratic equation is in that form, the standard form of quadratic equation. So, ax squared, that is read as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where this term is what we call a quadratic term. Kanang ax squared diha tawag nato na o quadratic term. Kinahanglan mo na mag-una in the standard form, sige mag-una. So the quadratic term. Next is the linear term kanang bx. So ang quadratic term na ay degree nga 2, na exponent 2 for the degree of 2. Whereas the bx or the linear term has a degree of 1. Isa ra may degree. Kanang gitawag og degree of an equation. The degree of an equation is the highest degree of all the equation. So kay 2 man ang highest, it is called quadratic equation. Now c is the constant term. Constant siya because the degree is 0. Degree is 0. So we have that one. Quadratic term, linear term, and constant term. Why is that? It is said that a could not be equal to 0. Anong dili man siya pwede man equal to 0? As I've said, kung si a mahimong 0, so our quadratic equation will no longer be a quadratic equation. Kaya ma-0 man na siya. Ma-0 man siya. Ma-0 man ni diri dapit. So, mabilin is the linear term. So, the degree of our equation is no longer 2. So, dili na 2 ang degree of equation. Dili ang mga degree of equation na to 1 siya. So, it is no longer a quadratic. Our equation will not be called as quadratic anymore. Tawag na siya og linear. So, dili na siya quadratic. So, it is very important that A in a quadratic equation, kinahanglan si A, dili siya pwede mahimong 0. So, if A is equal to 0, so mo ni may tabo kana. So, mabilin si bx kan. So, our quadratic equation is no longer a quadratic equation. Dili na siya. So, it is linear equation. So, there are some examples of incomplete forms of quadratic equation. Incomplete. So, as I've said, si A dili pwede mahimong 0. Si B o si C pwede mahimong 0. But si A dili pwede mahimong 0. Now, there are some examples of incomplete forms of quadratic equation. Number 1, when B is equal to 0, ang atong quadratic equation will be ax squared plus c equals 0. No? That is if B is equal to 0. Kung si B mahimong 0, mo ni ang porma sa atong quadratic equation. Now, number 2, our quadratic equation will be ax squared plus bx equals to 0 if si C na pud ang mahimong 0. If C is equal to 0. Now, in our example number 3, our quadratic equation will be EX squared equals 0. AX squared equals 0. That is if both A, B, and C are equal to 0. So, kung si B o si C pareho 0, ang mabilin ang quadratic term rakan. Still, it is a quadratic equation because naa pa man gihapon ang quadratic term. So, dili pwede mawa ang quadratic term kay mahimo dili na siya pwede tawgon og quadratic equation. Okay? So, example of quadratic equation. So, that is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0 is a quadratic equation in standard form with A equals 2, B equals 5, and C equals negative 3. Now, in identifying the value of A, B, and C in a quadratic equation, it is very important to set first that our quadratic equation is standard form. Primero sa ato sang himuon, i-rewrite to make sure that our quadratic equation is in standard form before ta mag-identify sa value of A, B, and C. No? So, ang atong equation diri is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0 is in the standard form. Diba? So, identify yun na nato. So, A, B, C. So, substitute the value of A, B, C. So, we have, ang A na to is 2, B na to is 5, and C na to is negative 3. So, another example, 3x times the quantity x minus 2 equals 10. So, it is a quadratic equation. However, it is not written in standard form. Now, as I've said, make sure that your quadratic equation is in standard form before you identify the value of A, B, and C. Before mo mag-identify sa value of A, B, and C. Now, to write the equation in standard form, we're going to use the distributive property and make one side of the equation 0 as shown below. So, this is distributive. So, we distribute 3x to all the terms inside the quantity. No? We have 3 times x. So, the result will be 3x, x squared. Then 3x times negative 2, that will be negative 6x. That is equal to 0. Equals to 10 rather. No? Then, we make sure that we're going to eliminate this number 10 here to make it 0 para ibalhin na to sa pikas because still it is not in standard form. So, we have by using the addition property of equality, you have to add both sides of the equation by negative 10. So, mag-add tawag negative 10 to eliminate, equate the equation to 0. So, ang mahitabo, mahimo na niyan 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 10 minus 10. So, the result will be 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0. Now, the proper way is, we are going to use the addition property of equality. No, but, sa atong mga previous sa inyo siguro probably in previous discussion sa mathematics, you use transposition. Kanang gitawag og i-transpose, ibalhin ra, then ma-change ang sign. Now, from left to right, from right to left, ma-change ang sign sa number. That is transposition. But actually, there is no such thing or term as transposition method in mathematics. No? So, wala siya transposition method. Rather, the proper way is we are going to use the addition property of equality. Pero mas madali, that transposition is gigamit sa mga teacher para madali og explain sa bata ang proseso. No? So, like for example, this one, si positive 10 diri sa pikas atong ibalhin diri sa, so from the right side atong ibalhin sa left side. So, positive siya, mahimo siyang negative 10. That's the short way, di ba? Shortcut siya. So, we have 10, ibalhin sa pikas, mahimong negative 10. Then, 0 na diri sa ang mabilin. So that makes 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0. Ako ha, so shortcut siya. Kay balin-balhin raman. Pero ang sakto nga proseso is we are going to use addition property of equality. No? Nag-add ta og number nga makahimo ni jang 0. For example, positive 10 man siya, so ang atong adan og negative 10 para ma-0 siya. Or minusan og 10. No? Minusan og 10. So the equation becomes 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, which is in the standard form. So it is already in standard form. Our equation is already standard. Now, we are ready to identify the value of a, b, and c. So in the equation 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, the value of a is 3, b is negative 6, and c is equal to negative 10. So, mo na siya. As I've said, so before ta mag-identify sa value of a, b, and c, make sure that our quadratic equation is in standard form. No? So mag-una siya sa standard form. Now, example number 3. The equation 2x or quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 is equal to negative 6. Huh? It is also a quadratic equation. Again, a quadratic equation that is not written in standard form. So, quadratic equation siya, pero dili siya, wala siya sa standard form. So, just like in example number 2, the equation quantity 2x plus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 equals negative 6 still can be written in standard form by expanding the product. So, we have distributive property and making one side of the equation 0 as shown below. So, we have that one. So, i-expand na to using distributive. So, we have 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x, plus 5 times x is 5x, then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. So, that is equals to negative 6. Excuse me. So, we have 2x squared. So, collect like terms, combine like terms. So, the like terms is negative 2x and 5x, positive 5x. So, that makes 3x. So, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals negative 6. So, then, we have, di ba, himuon na to sa 0. So, we use the addition property of equality again. No? Pero actually, tanawa, obserbahe, kung si 6, dari a negative, pag iba to ni siyang ibalhin, may mong positive 6. So, nga may tabo, positive 6 na, positive si Jadriticas. But actually, it is addition property of equality. We add both side by 6 to equate the equation to 0. Nag-plus ta, pareho, para ang purpose na to, mahimong 0 ng tikas. So, we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 ang may tabo. Negative 5 plus 6 man. So, 1. So, it is equal to 0. Now, it is already in standard form. The equation becomes 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0, which is in standard form. So, in the equation 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0, the value of a is 2, the value of b is 3, and the value of c is 1. So, that is how we are going to identify the value of a, b, and c. Now, here comes activity 1. So, it is required, as I've, activity 1 entitled quadratic or not. This is required. So, no need to answer your module. Do not answer your module because the module has already an answer K. So, no need to answer the module. So, use the module to review the lesson. Actually, all the things that is found in module is nasa atong presentation. So, we have, do not answer your module. This activity is required. Maura ni inyo ansiran. Maura ni inyo ansiran. And you have to pass this next pag uli sa module. Okay? So, So, required siya. So, I will check this one. So, instruction. You have to write the answer, your answer in a one whole sheet of paper. One whole. Then, avoid any erasure. So, walay kinahanglan walay iris ha. Walay hugaw. Any form of it will automatically consider your answer as wrong. Kung naay mga erasure, wrong na now. Kindly show your solution. Now, in letter A, identify which of the following equation are quadratic and which are not. No? So, identify na to ang A, which of the quadratic equation, which of the following equations are quadratic and which are not. Your answer must be quadratic equation or not a quadratic equation. Your answer. Mauna yung answer. Next is letter B. Write the quadratic equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then identify the value of a, b, and c. So that is 6 minus 2x plus 3x squared equals 0. So you have to write the equation in standard form, then identify the value of a, b, and c. That's it. So, thank you. Okay, thank you mga kamatlets. See you in our next video. Have a nice day and keep safe always. Bye-bye.